Hi guys, in this video, let me teach you 3 ways to see deleted messages on WhatsApp so you can see all the deleted messages that is unsent by your contacts. So let's get to it. So first things first, go over to our settings and go over to our app manager. Over here, make sure to search for WhatsApp right there. So after searching this, let's go on over to notifications and make sure that show notifications is turned on, and also over here on the allow lock screen notifications, make sure this is turned on also so you can see all of the notifications that is being sent by your contacts. So there, after doing that, let's go on over to the WhatsApp app, and over here let's go on over to the 3 dots here in the right corner, settings, and go over to chats here and make sure to go over to chat backup here, and here over here let me make sure to turn on this end-to-end encrypted backup, turn this on, and also the backup to Google Drive, make sure it is set to daily here, choose your account. So there, as you can see, I don't want to do this, so I'll just use never. So just make sure to tick those. So after doing that, you can also press the backup button so you can back it up now. As you can see, it's processing, but I don't want to do that now. Okay, so the third way, guys, is to actually go over to your Play Store or App Store and make sure to search for a notification history saver. So what this will do is it will save all the notification that is being sent from your apps, including WhatsApp, so that you can see all of them even if you are seen deleted by the contacts. So after downloading this, so you just have to choose any of the apps here that you want. So they are very reliable, guys. So you can also search for WhatsApp history saver, as you can see here. So recover chat for WhatsApp, so you can try this also and see if it works for you. So okay guys, that is all for today. That is how you can see deleted messages on WhatsApp. So okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.